In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Microsoft Word default font in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone who just loves to organize and personalize their documents, knowing how to adjust the default font to your preference can save you a ton of time and make your documents stand out. So, let's dive in and learn how to make this simple yet impactful change. First things first, we need to get Microsoft Word up and running. For this, head over to your computer and find the Windows Start menu. You might already be familiar with the Start menu. It's that little icon on the bottom left corner of your screen, typically symbolized by the Windows logo. Once you've located the Start menu, give it a click to bring up a search bar where we're going to type in Word. As you start typing, you'll notice suggestions popping up. Look for Microsoft Word in these suggestions and click on it to open the application. If you've used Word recently, it might even appear on your Start menu without the need to search. Upon clicking, Microsoft Word will launch, bringing you to what is known as the Word Home, or the starting interface of the Word program. At this juncture, you could either choose to work on a new document or open an existing one where you wish to apply the new default font. The choice, of course, is entirely up to you and depends on what document you want to customize. Now that we have our document open, it's time to select the text. If you're aiming to change the font across the whole document, the simplest way is to use the shortcut Ctrl+A, CMD+A on Mac, to highlight all the text. Alternatively, if you only want to change the font in specific parts of the document, you can manually highlight the sections you wish to alter by clicking and dragging over the text with your mouse. Once you've highlighted the text, you're going to right-click on the selection. A menu will pop up, and from here you'll want to find and click on Font. This action brings up a new window where you can explore a myriad of font options. Feel free to scroll through and select the font that best suits your needs or the document's requirements. After selecting your desired font, the critical step to making this your new default comes in. Look for a button that says Set as Default located at the bottom left of the font selection window. Click on it. A prompt will appear asking you whether you want this change to apply to only this document or to all future documents as well. If you're like most people who prefer consistency across their work, you'll likely want to choose the latter option, thereby making your selected font the new standard for every document you create henceforth. Click OK to confirm your choice, and just like that, you've successfully changed the default font in Microsoft Word. It's a straightforward process that can make a huge difference in how your documents look and feel, providing a fresh perspective or a necessary hint of professionalism depending on your chosen font. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Remember, the font you choose as your default should be easily readable and appropriate for the context in which you'll be using your documents. Also, consider the availability of your chosen font on other devices or platforms, especially if you plan to share your documents with others who might not have the same font installed. Compatibility is key to ensuring your documents maintain their intended appearance no matter where or how they're viewed. And there you have it, an easy guide to changing the Microsoft Word default font tailored to fit your personal or professional preferences. Experiment with different fonts to find the one that best matches your style or the message you wish to convey through your documents. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks to enhance your productivity and personalize your digital workspace. Happy writing,